Yeah, it's another round of sports roundup with the News Chronicle, and it's all gonna be about the UEFA Champions League games that we witnessed yesterday. We saw a lot of actions come back and some upsets in those games that were played yesterday. There was the first leg of the UEFA Champions League playoff knockout phase, which featured four games last night. Borussia Dortmund and PSG dominated away against their opponent, while Manchester City was defeated on their home turf by resilient Real Madrid. So what happened last night? Ousmane Dembele had a praise for PSG away at Brest. The French talisman has been brilliant for PSG, most especially this season, scoring 16 goals and 7 Champions League goals this season for the French champions. They won that game 3-0 away from home. It was, of course, Borussia Dortmund again against Sporting CP. Since Ruben Amorim departed Sporting CP for Manchester United, it has been a blackout for the Portuguese side, who has been losing game back to back, most especially in the UEFA Champions League. Borussia Dortmund won that game 3-0 away from home. Of course, it was Suri Gurasi, Pascal Group, and Karim Adeyemi who were in the score sheet for Borussia Dortmund. Juventus also won away at home to PSV Eindhoven. It was 2-1 comfortable home victory. And for the big game, which was Manchester City against Real Madrid, Manchester City were defeated just a few moments to have the game done. It was Kylian Mbappe who actually broke the heart of the Manchester City fans, who were even before the game had been chanting for the controversial Ballon d'Or that was awarded to their midfielder over Vinicius Junior. In that game, Erling Haaland had a brace, but unfortunately for Erling Haaland, his brace were cancelled by Kylian Mbappe and Brahim Diaz in the second half of the game, and they went on to win by the last minute of that game. So the second set of the 4 matches will take place on Wednesday night, with the return leg scheduled for next week. The 8 winners will join the already qualified 8 teams in the knockout round, that is the round of 16. So you can always follow us, or you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got you covered in all aspects of news at the News Chronicles. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and most especially subscribe to our YouTube channel.